All right, so we've been having a lot of problems with the Jeep. So we're here at Mid-Valley Transmission, and I'm finally gonna make the push to actually get this transmission repaired, replaced, whatever we need to do to get it going. So we're gonna drop it off here at Mid-Valley. We're gonna miss this Jeep Wrangler here, and we'll leave it right here. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they can get everything repaired properly. All right, so today's the day I'm actually gonna pick up this Jeep. So let's go inside, make this payment real quick.
Robert, can I call you back again? I'm with the customer right now. Okay, I'll call you right back. Thank you.
Wow, that is cool to see that.
Yeah, the intermediate band, so that's second gear band right there. And then the reverse band.
Do you mind if I record this? I can use it for my YouTube channel.
Is that what you do?
Yeah.
No, we can record it, yeah.
Record it.
Second gear band, reverse band.
Yeah.
And these stretches, you can see where they're like even coming apart.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be checkerboard like that,
Yeah.
waffle pattern. Basically, there's not even hardly anything left on them. More likely that's caused from that thing flaring a little bit.
Yeah.
And somebody's still driving it.
Yeah.
And they just continue to drive it until it virtually just, it couldn't take it no more.
So what's this part right here?
What they got in there? Part of the shift kit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so there's shift kit springs, manual valve. So these are some updates and things that were done to it. Popular bushings, seals, sealing rings.
Okay.
Torque converter as well, but that goes back.
All right, guys, so it was a little expensive. It kind of ballooned a little bit more than I expected to pay for this, but it's done. Now we got the key to the Jeep. Now my son's right here. We'll give him the keys right now. Go ahead and turn it on, and he'll follow me on the way home. There you go. Go ahead and turn it on. You excited?
Yeah.
All right. Turn it on right away. Yeah. Now check engine light. Engine sounds good. Transmission's in. We'll talk a little bit more what they actually did to this Jeep once we take it home. So just go ahead and see you guys when we get home. I'll jump in my car right now and we'll take off. Make sure you follow me. Here we go. Now let's turn on my car. Oh yeah. Man, I love turning on this car. Never get tired of it. So is it my turn to drive it now?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna swap out seats, and I'm gonna get the feeling of the transmission now, how it shifts. We have not changed the power plant, so we're still making the same power. So even if we put it in drive, will it do a burnout? Most likely not, but let's see. I just wanna feel how this transmission is engaging under full throttle now, because before, it would not do anything. It wouldn't even spin the tires in the dirt. So let's see, can it do it? Simple question. And here we go. Okay. It has grip now, and the input power is pretty decent, so it's looking pretty good. That is good right there, because before it wouldn't do that. It kind of felt like it was just slipping. So right off the bat, it's really good. All right, here we go. First gear. And second gear, perfect shift. All right, let's make a quick ride over here. Let's try a little bit more. Sorry about the wind noise, but this Jeep has no air conditioning, so it's gonna get hot. All right, I think we're on second gear now. Yeah, let's go to third. Now this was the problem child. Perfect, smooth like butter. That was a perfect shift. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. I'm very happy with the way this Jeep is driving now. The good thing is that the transmission shop, they gave us a 2-year unlimited mile warranty along with the torque converter and the transfer case. So that's all covered now. Now, the thing that I've been kind of holding off to tell you guys is that, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. We actually ordered an engine replacement for this Jeep already. I can get into the details, I guess, because it's long enough that we can. But the good thing about this engine, that we're not gonna switch it displacement. It's still gonna be a 2.5 cylinder, 2.5. It's still gonna be a 2.5 4-cylinder engine. But the things that are an improvement on it is that the rotating assembly is completely balanced. And we did upgrade the cam. We're going to an RV cam. So we're really excited about this engine. And right now it's Sunday. So from what I am told and the conversations I had with the company is that it should be delivered on Monday. So come Monday, we're gonna get the crate, evaluate what came in, make sure we have everything we need, and in the coming days after that point, we're gonna be installing this engine. So I want you guys to be excited with us as much as we are, and we're gonna be doing an engine swap on this Jeep pretty soon. And we're shooting for like a near perfect Jeep Wrangler. New engine, new transmission, and the final thing we're gonna do is the paint job, along with some upgrades to the interior. But yeah, we're doing Jeep things, guys. Check it out. We're just going a little bit off-road. It's not too crazy. Just a little bit of off-roading. I know it's just a dirt road, but yeah, it's nice. We'll turn around right here in the dirt. Uh-oh, we're gonna get stuck. Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, it's fun. I love driving this Jeep, especially with the transmission now that's reliable and it shifts real nice. Now we're just comfortable. We don't have air conditioning yet, but that might be something that we're gonna be doing in the future. Yeah, the engine, it has a rod knock, you know, you can't avoid it. We're still driving it the way it is because it's driving just fine. But I still, in the back of my mind, I'm afraid that one day when we're driving it, the engine's gonna just seize up on us, because there is a little bit of metal in the engine on the bottom every time I do the oil change. So I wanted to be proactive and switch out this engine before we actually have issues and break down in the middle of the road, or who knows where we'll be at. So we're just trying to avoid that altogether. But yeah, it's shifting real nice. Actually, we can try the 4x4. Because I haven't tried the 4x4 since.
We should try it in that one pit over there.
It's too dirty over there. I mean, there's too much grass, too much high grass. It might cause a fire. But let's see. Let's try the 4x4 real quick. All right, let's put it on 4 low. Put it in neutral, and we're gonna put it on 4 low just to make sure there aren't any issues. Oh. Okay, that feels pretty good. And on the dash, it does show 4x4 right there. So we're in 4x4 mode. I just want to try it because I want to make sure we have no more issues with this transmission. Here we go. I just floor it and see how it takes off. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Actually feels pretty good. Real smooth. It's a lot smoother than last time, that's for sure. The transmission shop did say that the transfer case had a real bad oil leak, and that's why they ended up charging me a little bit extra. But they warranted everything that they did, and from what I feel, it's shifting good. So let's go ahead and put it in 4 high. Let's see. Put neutral. Okay. There's neutral. That's 2. Okay. We are on 4 high. Let's go backwards. I just want to try it out real quick. Okay. The transfer case is feeling really nice. see. Now let's put in drive. Okay, let's take a quick drive down the road and make sure everything's continuing to be good. Now take it out of 4 high. Actually, let's just go forward. All right. Yeah, so we're just trying it out, guys. Yeah, this feels really good. I think we got a nice, reliable setup now after all this work that they've done. I can't really feel any issues with it, so let's go ahead and just take this off 4-wheel drive because we're just making sure everything works really well. All right, so I'm feeling really good about this. Now we can move on from the transmission. We have no worries about this transmission. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We're just gonna keep taking a few drives. We're keep continuing this drive around and about, making sure everything feels good. But that's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video and like this content we're making for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned on the next video, guys. Anyways, see you guys later. You guys have a good one.